Okay, it's that time of year where it's cold months, people are getting sick around you, there's bugs all around, and so you wanna make sure that your immune system is working the way it should, keep it boosted, and be able to keep the ick away. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my favorite Rollerblend. This is a blend that I use to make sure that my immune system is healthy and that things are working the way they should. So first up, you need to get all of your supplies. And so what I use when I make a Rollerblend is you're gonna need a 10 ml empty vial. This one's a clear bottle. You can get an amber. They have all different colors, but you want a 10 milliliter empty roller bottle. So it comes like that with the ball. So you need that. You're going to need some fractionated coconut oil. And we use fractionated coconut oil because it's going to help in lots of different ways. It's going to help your body to be able to absorb all of those essential oils. It's going to help so there's no sensitivities. And so it's really great. And the reason it's the fractionated coconut oil is because it's always going to stay in its liquid form. And so that's going to be really important, that it doesn't solidify, that it stays liquid, and you can apply it really well. The other reason we like fractionated coconut oil is it's unscented. And so it's not going to alter the scent of your blend. And so that's really why this is my favorite when I'm creating roller blends. Okay, so the next step, you're going to need 5 essential oils. So the first one that we're going to use is OnGuard. Now, OnGuard in itself is our immune support blend. And so this is great. You can use this on its own to really help your immune system. But when you need an extra boost, because let's say, your family members, your kids are coming home and they're not feeling well, you wanna make sure you're not getting it, or maybe you start to not feel well and you need to get over it quick, we're gonna boost this OnGuard. So the OnGuard itself has great essential oils in it. It has some rosemary, eucalyptus, some clove, really great antioxidants, oils to really help with microbial, antiviral, all of those things to really boost your immune system. So that's gonna be your first essential oil you're going to use. And then next up, you're gonna grab 4 others that are really great for supporting our immunity. So the first one is going to be frankincense. Frankincense, if you're familiar with essential oils, you know it's the king of oils. It's gonna be really great for cell support. It's gonna be great for anti-inflammatory. It's also a wonderful essential oil to add in all your blends because it really does support the other essential oils and really gets them to work at their peak. And so we're gonna use frankincense. We're also going to use lemon. Lemon essential oil is really great because it's a great detoxifier, so really getting rid of any of those toxins that are building up in your body. Also has some great antioxidants in it as well. The next one we're going to add to it is oregano. So oregano has high antimicrobials in it. It's a really strong essential oil to really support that immune system. And then next is tea tree. And tea tree we love because it's also not only antiviral, but it's also antifungal and antibacterial. And so tea tree is really a great boost on that as well. What you're going to do is you're going to put 10 drops of these essential oils in your rollerball. And so just open it up, just start dropping them in. And once you, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're gonna do 10 drops of each. Once you add all of your essential oils in, then we're going to fill it with coconut oil. Okay, so we just filled up our roller bottle. I have 10 drops of each of these essential oils. Then I'm going to fill the rest of it with this fractionated coconut oil. I love these that have a pump. doTERRA also has theirs. I use that one as well. But sometimes when you're making a lot, you need a large quantity. So then I'm gonna just put the roller ball right on. I have a little tool that helps snap it, but you just put it right on, snap it in. I'm gonna put my lid on, shake it up, mix that good. The coconut oil also really helps for the essential oils to really bond together, blend it well so it's not all separate oils, but really helps it blend it. So there you go. So that is our immune support rollerball. What you're going to do is then you want to use this and you can roll it on the bottom of your feet, in those reflex points, wrists. You could do it on the back of your neck. I do mainly the bottom of my feet, but that's what you could do. You can do it morning and night. If you are starting to feel under the weather, you can start rolling this on every couple of hours until you're feeling better. And so that is our immune support. Can't wait to see how you like it and tell me all about it in the comments.